When the wind blows, the propeller starts to rotate, and the rotational force generated is transferred to the main mechanism through this gearbox by means of a shaft that is inside this cover. And the mechanism starts to produce heat up to more than 200 degrees Celsius. And there are no coil or winding in this mechanism. And this aluminum heatsink is used to spray heat in the environment. Now, let's go to test it. Now, why don't we use an electric generator and a heating electric element instead of this system? Well, we need a generator, a base, foundation, and a propeller, a cable to transmit electricity, and a heating element. When the wind blows, it rotates the propeller of the generator and electricity is produced and transmitted through the cable into the room and turn on the heating electric element, and heat is produced and heats the room. By a conversion of energy from wind to mechanical, then to electric transmission, and finally converting electricity to heating. These steps can be very confusing, but in the new green heating system, WINDHEATER, wind energy is converted into mechanical energy and directly into thermal energy without the need of transmission, which can significantly reduce the wastage of energy dilution. Also, in this system, the costs are much higher than the green heating production system. Make a generator using copper and aluminum coils, the failure and the short life of generator, the cost of cabling, the cost of the electric heating element, which have a certain lifespan, and the cost of construction is not low. But in the WINDHEATER system, no coil are used. So here we don't have the cost of making a generator and also a long life with a 15 years warranty, no need for a cable, no need electric heating element, no need for any kind of electrical or electronic parts. And let me add that it is 100% recyclable. There is a problem in this system that I have fixed.
We develop it, when the wind doesn't blow, we have a problem. And I develop it and I have a new feature to this. This feature, this solve problem, is we want to, on the next generation of this invention, save energy underground with water, a tank. And when the wind doesn't blow, we can use the hot water underground. And we solve this problem.
I have launched this invention as a startup, and I will do my best to bring the product to the market soon. I'm making a large sample and installing it for a house or apartment. If you are interested in a green heating system, I will appreciate it if you could help this startup in super tanks section to prevent environmental pollution and enter the market. I will inform you about the progress and the project soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.